today on Kamo's Universe, we are going to be doing the LOL Fizz Factory. And to introduce myself, I'm in year 3 and I'm 7 years old. And I have lots of friends. Not that much friends. And I have lots of subscribers, I think. Now we're going to be opening this. And I'll just show you, my LOLs have little keychains on them. These are my LOL friends and they have little keychains. This is my other LOL friend. He has a keychain and it's a little phone. So these are the big sisters. So these two look like me, and this one looks like my friends. Daisy. And she is 7 years old like me. And these are the two little big sisters and Critter. And the colour changes, just colour changes. And they're so cute. And this is her sister. And this is her sister. Yes. This is LOL Fizz Factory, and here is Diva saying unbox surprise. And the steps are 1. Pour the mix. 2. Had a surprise. 3. Form Fizz. And 4. Dunk surprise. Dunk in water. Dunk in water for surprise. And this is the back of the box. It has the instructions again. And this one is weird because it has ingredients here, but this is the lab ingredients. So I'll read it to you guys. So the LOL Fizz Factory is about just making your own fizz balls and just having fun and put ultra charms inside. This kind of looks like this, but it's ultra. Yeah, and you can put glitter on any color. This is baking soda, I think. And LOL Fizz display. And this is where you mix it all together. I'll take off the stick tape. Yeah, I've unboxed it now, and it looks really cool outside the box, not inside the box. Well, there's a lot of sticky tape and a lot of pulling. And here is the box. And the baking soda, and these are the colors. And just gotta take some. Is it recording?
Let me open it if you want. Take a small scoop
So this end of the scoop.
and put it into the mixer funnel.
That's good.
Put one more in if you want. Okay, it can be extra.
This?
You
You can put more.
No, it's fine.
are the ultra rare charms, and
Upside down.
these are the normal charms for the big animal surprise golden ball and the Fizz balls. So 1 glam hairspray, 2 dove tears, and 3 a pizza charm. Looks delicious. I lost the sticker. And carry on mixing. Okay, gonna work it. And you can add glitter. Looks like I add 20 drops of water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have to add citric acid now. Look. No. Now we take the funnel and clean it. Ooh. So next you have to twist it.
Twist. Double way. Keep twisting.
And press.
No, twisting.
You have put it in there and you have squished it and you have to turn it. Wait half an hour so it can dry. Yes, so we gotta wait half an hour to dry. And I don't think that's pretty long. Well, might be, but I don't think. This is the LO doll, it's tiny. It didn't work.
It did.
It's because you can still see the surprise.
Because you put the surprise too high. It's fine. Turn the other side. Oh, don't do it.
It didn't work you know.
You can say it's a fail then.
It's a fail. This didn't work. It's a fail. I don't think it worked because you put too much water. And we put the surprise too high. Then let's make another one then. But you can't.
Let me see the surprise.
It's even crumbly. But now you can put it in the water.
Okay.
I know what lady can pop some puppy. Bye guys, make sure to subscribe and comment down below and like and subscribe. Bye. And comment down below what should I do on my next video. Make more of these or something else. Bye.